Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre and I'm going to share with all of you a ritual on Goddess Green Tara for manifesting of our wishes. Now, Goddess Green Tara is a Buddhist deity. She is extremely favorite, especially because she really helps whoever calls upon her immediately. So for this particular ritual will require Goddess Green Tara statue. In case if you do not have a statue, you can definitely use a picture of hers. Will require an incense. Any incense would be fine, but if you can use a lotus incense, it would be great. Will require a metal or a wooden box. Even a simple box would be fine. We'll also require a green color candle. In case if you do not have a green color candle, you can use a white candle. We'll require a green pen. In case if you do not have a green pen, you can use a blue pen. Since it is Goddess Green Tara ritual, we are using color green a lot. So first and foremost, take a piece of paper and you will write on the piece of paper one big wish, and in another piece of paper you'll write a small wish. You can write the wish as following: Dear dear Goddess Green Tara, please bless me with any big wish. It can be getting married, it can be getting a job, whatever your big wish is. In another paper you will write in the similar way a small wish. See, it can be a very small wish, and try to keep it small. Since smaller wishes take a little lesser time, and it will increase your faith in the ritual as well. You'll end it up with this or better, and you'll write thank you, and at the end you'll write your name. So I've already put my wish in the box. Once you have placed the wish in the box, you will keep your hand on the box and say, Dear Goddess Green Tara, I have written my wishes and I have placed it in this box. I have complete faith and trust that you will fulfill my wishes as soon as possible. This or better, thank you. You will then place a candle on the box the way I have placed. Please be careful of fire. Do not leave a fire unattended. You will then light the incense and place it. All right. Now place your hand on the box and chant Goddess Green Tara ritual. You can chant it 11 times, 21 times, or 108 times. Since we are running out of time, I will chant the mantra only thrice. But when you do the ritual, please chant it in 11 times minimum. And as I said before as well, 21 or 108 times. It depends upon you. So let's start with the chanting. Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha. Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha. Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha. So as I said, I chanted this mantra only 3 times, but you will do it 11 times minimum. This ritual can be started on a Friday. However, if you want to start it immediately, you can do that as well. This ritual has to be done for 9 days. You can do it anytime as per time available to you, as per your work schedule. Now after 9 days, once the ritual is complete, you will still keep your hand on the box and you will chant the mantra 11 times. Once your wish is complete, you will remove it from the box and say thank you to Goddess Green Tara and replace it with a new wish. Now please be patient and give Goddess Green Tara time to complete your wish. Because it is more important that you let go and follow whatever guidance you are getting to fulfill that wish. For example, if you put a wish in the box to get married and you get a guidance that you should join a gym or you should go for a particular party, you have to follow the guidance as well. So this is a very simple and an extremely powerful ritual of goddess Green Tara. Once the candle is completely burned out, you can throw it in the dustbin. And this is a very simple ritual, and I hope you really enjoyed it. This is Sheetal Sipan Matre. Have a great day ahead.